G'day! In today's video I'm just going to be doing a battery test on the Acer Nitro 5. This is running a 10300H, 16 gig of RAM and a 3060, and what I've done is I have last night fully charged it, ran it with the keyboard lights turned off, brightness turned down a little bit, and then I just had it running a YouTube video. So just a fireplace YouTube video, and I set it so it won't go to sleep. So I'm curious to see what kind of playtime we've got from that. So I'll hit the power button down here. And we've got the initial boot sequence on the keyboard, which I don't mind. And let's see what we get. There we go. So not a bad playtime. Zoom you guys in. So 4 hours and 30 minutes. So not too bad. That's actually done a bit better than I was expecting on video playback. So what particular settings did I adjust for that? I'll just show you now as well. So if I go here, I had battery saver enabled down the bottom here. So battery saver was enabled. And I had it also set on battery power saving mode. So all up, I'm actually pretty happy with those results that it received. So it did surprise me. Decent amount of battery life. I'm not sure how it would go with word processing, but for straight YouTube video playback, so it's using Wi-Fi, not really interacting with the keyboard itself, but pretty decent, pretty surprising. So top job Acer on that one actually. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. Bye.